Right, hello my friends, Paul here. Um, People who watch my videos will know I do a lot of experiments recording running bathwater. I get lots of voices, albeit they are a bit quiet and I have to make them louder when I edit the video. That's something we have got to try and make better. But anyway, I generally get my grandfather, Alfred, and quite a few others at times. So tonight I'm going to try recording with that phone up there and also with this Nokia. So we'll see if we get the same voices on each gadget. So without further ado, let's begin the experiment. Well, good evening my spirit friends, this is Paul. I come in peace, light and friendship as always. Tonight I'm running two recorders, this one in my hand and that one up there. So if you'd like to speak to me and as loud as you can, please, slowly and loudly, and could you please tell me who's here tonight? Of course, if anyone's with me, that is. Usually they are. And this only records for 1 minute at a time, so you'll hear me keep recording. Who's here with me tonight then? Have I got family, guides, or friends, or anyone new with me? How many people are here, please? Could you tell me? For anyone new who watches my videos, could you tell the people how you get here so you can talk to me? Or are you here all the time? Are there any ladies with us tonight, please? Any ladies who'd like to come and speak? You should tell us your name if there is any ladies here. Who are you? Have you been here before? If you have, you'll know I do these experiments quite often. If there's anything you'd like to say to the people who watch my videos, now's the time. messages for anyone, or maybe you'd just like to say hello. Okay, if you have managed to speak, I'd like to say thank you. I appreciate your help in these experiments, I really do. And I'm looking forward to moving on to the next chapter, whatever that may be. So I feel that we're going to up our game a bit. Is that not correct? Okay. I'd like to say thank you very much and good evening to you. Goodbye now. And that's how I do my bathroom recording experiments. And what we do, we're going to edit the video now.